if you actually have plans to be rich, focus on solving problems. Money follows value. Focus on making yourself valuable. Focus on building your brand in such a way that if I come into the city of Pretoria and I'm actually looking for fragrances, people will be able to mention you because you've made yourself that valuable, right? And they know that every time I interact with you, I will definitely want to come back. How I do business, or the people that I work with, be it a photographer, videographer, whoever that I work with, I'm always attracted to the passion. I can see when you are just doing it just to get my money, right? And I can also see when you're doing it from passion. And I want to work with those kind of people because they will show up even in places that are not convenient for them. And that's how you want to run your business. And when we talk about solving problems, it's not things that are deep. For example, I was having a chat with someone yesterday and I was like, do you know that a business person in sports is also solving a problem? They are solving entertainment problem. A person in media production, I know that a lot of people, when we say solve problems, they're thinking feed the hungry, do all these things, give back. No, you can. I had a one-on-one consultation with some lady who is planning to start designing bras that are specifically for ladies with big boobs, because she realized that there is a gap in the market. That is a problem that you are solving. And the nice thing about running your business like this is that you don't need to beg for support. I remember someone forwarded me, not to say don't ask people to share your things. I don't believe in that. I want to challenge myself to offer my service and focus on solving problems in such a way that you can't help it but run after me. Because you need what I offer, you can't help it but DM me, right? So you need to challenge yourself to run your business like that, with that mindset, so that you don't go around here, support black, support, I don't believe in that. Whether you are black or white or whatever, it won't matter. Because as long as you focus on discovering that vision, just know that an authentic vision is about solving problems. And if you're focusing on solving problems, there is a market facing that problem. And that is your target market. So your customers are secured, right? So now you can work on all the legal stuff that you do. You can do all the paperwork, finances, HR, all the awesome, everything that they were sharing here, digital marketing and everything. But first of all, you need to be solving a problem. For money to come in, if that's your goal, to bring in lots of money and grow financially, solve the problem. People want to get their problem solved. And that's where they want to put their money on.